Hey, good afternoon, YouTube. Uncle Bill and I got a crappie attitude today. So today, well, yeah, today's November the 17th. Miss T. It's our 25th wedding anniversary. So I got up this morning, I woke up and I rolled over, got right in her ear. I said, honey, you wanna go fishing? She said, yeah. So we came out here this afternoon. That's our first one. He's not very big, probably about 11 and a half, 12 incher. But we're going to see if we can catch some crappie. She wasn't all about that in the ear thing either, by the way. But we're going to see if we can catch some crappie this afternoon. So y'all be with us. Stay tuned. Uncle Bill's crappie attitude. We're going to see if we can catch a fish. So last time we were out here, we caught a lot of these fish in deeper water. So we're going to start in 27 foot of water. We're over structure again. The brush pile we're looking at. But we're going to move around, spend more time in deep water today than we are shallow water. Looked in the creek when we first came out and saw fish, but they're not really stacked up yet. So we thought we'd come out here and see if we can find them in deeper water. Good Lord, she'd like to hit me in the head with a rod.
Well, he did just what those other ones do. He's bringing it up.
That's a pretty good fish. Them fish are skinny. Skinny, skinny.
You want to keep him?
Well, if he's 11, we're out of fish in the freezer. So Miss Tanya's using minnows today. That's 11 and a half inch fish. Like I said, I've gone all in on this jig, so I've got a jig on right now and I'm trying it in this deeper water. See if they're getting a little active for us here. She goes to catch a bunch of fish on minnows. Guess what Uncle Bill's gonna do?
Gonna have to use all these minnows.
So right now we're in 30 foot of water. Structure. Not seeing any fish on top of the pile. Maybe a couple. They're not suspended like they have been. It's been a couple weeks since we've been out here, so I've been on deployment again. Ah, there's some suspended. We were catching them in suspended 18 to 22 in about 25 foot of water. We're in 30 foot of water right now. The brush pile is probably about, this brush that we're on is probably sticking up about 5 or 6 feet. So we're off the side of the dam a little bit, the old dam.
A little bit better fish.
Yes, sir.
Oh, hell yeah. Woo! That's a nice fish. Yes, sir.
That's a big old thick fish too. That's got a nice back to him.
He is good, good, good. At least I'm going to put fish in the freezer. You want to have a contest again?
No. I do not.
You give me a head start. I'm just 3 ahead of you.
Just 3.
And 1 bass.
Bass don't count.
You're right.
So we've been doing a little looking around. She caught those few fish. 3. Well, that's 3 more than I got it on.
You ain't caught none.
Oh no.
I caught 4. 1 bass.
Oh, the bass don't count. Bass don't count.
It was a fish.
It don't count.
Right.
Wrong species. She cheats.
I didn't tell him to jump on my line.
Now you're starting to sound like Chris. Your trolling motor put me there. You don't know that. You see, you speculating outside your head.
You are gonna get right upside the head. I'll show you.
I'm gonna
Just like I did with that rod.
be like that whack-a-mole.
I almost whacked you upside the head.
You did. It come swimming all around my head.
I didn't get you.
It was close enough to scared me.
Really? Your first ever.
No, my second one. Thank you.
Is it the right species?
Yeah, yes.
Good for you. Look at you go, baby. I'm so proud of you. That is a nice one. That's great.
That's a pretty good little black crappie right there.
It's a boy.
Huh?
Is it a boy?
Is it? I don't know.
It could be a girl. That's why she likes pink.
Lord Almighty. So I got a Euro tackle, 1/8 ounce pink. Really like these things. This is the tungsten. Got some of them the other day. I'm gonna try them out. A little jig here comes from Crappie Killers. He sent these to me. He said, these are going out of style. I was like, well, they might not. Why don't you let me? So we're trying it out. So a little pinkish chartreuse with pink head. That's what we're working with here. It caught one crappie. That's all that mattered. It caught one. And I'm happy about that. You gonna catch that fish or just watch it?
I'm gonna watch it.
Good Lord, woman.
I thought I was in the brush.
It's a big one.
Oh my. He swallowed that hook.
Well, good Lord, he's been swimming around for 15 minutes. That fish was swimming in Tokyo.
Tokyo. Long ways.
Well, he's been swimming for 15. I've been watching the end of your pole for 15 minutes.
No.
I got a spot to see the side over here. We'll go across.
I didn't know you were moving.
Oh, yeah. Hello. McFly. I didn't know it was moving. You see your line doing this? That means we're moving. See, it's how I'm pointing backwards. Means I'm going forward. You know what I mean? It's my first time fishing. It's my first time fishing. Oh, and you want another 25 years of this?
And I wouldn't have it any other way. I don't like it when you're serious. I like having fun.
Okay, we need to do some shout outs. So we ain't catching any fish, but if y'all want to see somebody catching fish, I can tell you where to go look. I got several people that I follow that different techniques. Everybody uses a little different techniques. 3 of them are using live scope, and they're killing fish on live scope right now. I can't afford it. I'd have to do a GoFundMe page.
Exactly.
If you want to see good content without the use of spider web.
No.
Good Lord.
Not like spider rig, spider webs. They're everywhere.
So anyway, what I was about to say was, if you want a good crappie catching content, some of the guys I follow, if you don't have a boat, you want to do some creek fishing, 2 guys, Kid Crappie, you can look at his YouTube channel. He does a lot of creek fishing, just kills them. Another guy that does a lot of creek fishing is Barfly. You can look at his channel. If you want to see guys that are using the live scope and how they're doing that and what it does for them, you can go to Hook City TV, Fishing Ken and his dad, Hook City. Chris Gill, Sarge with Asleep at the Reel. He's another good one to watch. Matt Zeno Sutton. If you're not from here and up around the Tennessee area, check out Matt. It's Wired for Crappie. A guy that does a lot of fishing out of a 14-foot John boat and just slays the crappie. Caleb over at 903 Fishing. He's a good one to watch. Because it's obvious Uncle Bill don't know how to catch a crappie right now. But those other guys will catch a crappie left and right. So those are just some of the guys that I watch. Oh, and my favorite. SK's Crappie Catching Adventures. SK's. Crappie Adventures. Been fishing a long time. He got a little bitty graph up in the front of his boat. Don't have all the fancy electronics. Heck, he's even got a couple of videos where he left his electronics home because he forgot them. But SK, he kills a crappie. But those are some channels that I watch if you're interested in. I'm probably missing some that I pay attention to. Texas Crappie Assassins, they're down around the Houston area. That's a good one. He's always got his son out there, calls him Little Man. Little Man killed him, he catches them fish. Those are just some that I watch on a pretty regular basis. And most of them do videos once a week. Some of them have live shows. Start on Sunday night with 903 Fishing, and Monday nights you can listen to Kid Crappie and Asleep at the Reel. I don't know anybody on Tuesday nights. Oh, forgot about Fredo. Now I'll tell you what, Fishing with Fredo, if you want to check out his channel, Fredo does a little bit of everything. He crappie fish, but he'll wear those catfish out. Another guy that wears catfish out is JT's All Outdoors. Wears catfish out and catch crappie. JT's been fishing a long time around Central Texas, where I'm from. Looking forward to meeting him, and maybe we'll spend some time on the lake together. But those are just people that I watch that if you're learning how to fish for crappie, kiddos, there's a great kid channel out there, Fish Kid. Kenji with Fish Kid. He's just got some videos out where he's showing how he catches fish. And like I said, if you want to actually watch somebody catch some fish, because it's obvious we can. At least not right now anyway. Hang tight, we're gonna move. Golly.
That looks like a big old black.
It is. Wow. Oh, get him. You want me to fish for you?
No, I'm doing just fine with that. Yeah.
Oh. That's another good one.
And you don't know that yet.
I bet money on it.
I bet so too.
You gotta take me. Oh, good Lord.
He's big.
Wow. That was another big old crappie.
What's wrong with this? That's where I got him.
You gonna catch that fish? Good Lord. He's doing it again. That's a pretty good, about 11 and a half.
He's fat.
He is. I'll be perfectly honest with you. I'm not accustomed to fishing in this deep of water. We're in 31 foot of water. Fishing on it's kind of two brush piles side by side with a little bitty low spot in between them. So bottom's at about 30, the top of the brush pile's at about 26. These fish are suspended 17 to 23. But I think she's catching all these ones she's caught. She's going straight to the pile and one turn up, so she's down pretty close to the bottom on these fish. There's another one right there. It's there. Oh, it's there.
No,
it was there. It was there. Oh my God.
How can it be there?
It was there. He made you slack. He was slacking you.
He was slacking and relacking.
Slacking you. You got slacked.
Nope, I got robbed of my minnow.
It's because he slacked you.
Oh, you're gonna come up with all kind of new terms.
Oh, that was a slacking.
You got slacked.
Oh, that's it. Every time I see that line coming up, and you get slacked. Reel down and stick that fish. Golly. Very big. not very big at all.
No, but you still caught one.
Not very big.
Yeah.
Lord.
Smells like a pretty good one. Yeah.
Whatever it was didn't want to come up here.
Well, he might. Oh. Oh my God.
Oh my God. Really?
He is extremely heavy. Oh my God, look at that. Yes, sir.
Okay, I know it's getting late, so going to do a little silver hand tie. I'm pretty happy about for our silver anniversary. Finished the day with this little dude right here. Stump Thumper Jigs hand tied.
That is beautiful. He is.
You just fish over yonder.
He's pretty.
He's so pretty. He's so pretty. Okay. Go down there and do me something good. Do me something good. Oh. If anybody watches this video, I wonder how many of them go, If you go, put a comment. Just put a thumbs up. I'll know you did it. Stump Thumper. It's going to catch me a fish.
I hope
Boom.
so.
It's going to catch me a lake record.
Let's hope so.
Let's dump because I'll be screaming like a schoolgirl. Ah! Get that fish. God, what?
I was making sure he's not very big.
Oh, you said the last one wasn't very big either.
No, I told you he was big. He was heavy. This one ain't big.
No.
Yeah, big old boat again. That's little. Same one I probably just caught. What? Bringing it up. Yeah.
That's another good one.
Good. Nice fish. Very good.
Yeah.
There's your silver.
Not a bad little fish, not a bad little fish. So we were catching these fish, I mean right off the bottom. We're fishing, we're in 28, good Lord. We're in 30 foot of water and we're catching these fish right off the... That was another good one. Right off top of that brush pile. Well, she's catching all the fish right off the top of that brush pile.
Here you go.
Okay.
Go ahead and get your minnow.
Can get you in.
Yeah. Here we go again. That's pretty too.
God bless it, woman.
This one's gonna be little.
Probably be a 15-incher.
No, maybe he's bigger than I thought.
Yeah. This is gonna be little. This one's gonna be little.
Sorry.
Mm.
My day's been really good.
Maybe a little white.
Yeah, there's a shadow. I think I broke jumping behind us.
Could be a hybrid. It's a nothing.
It was a something. It was a something that got loose. Loose as a goose. Oh, look, Bill.
Mm.
Here, quick, quick. Don't let him go.
I don't know if that's legal or not. That's a big fish.
That was what was up on my thing. Look how big.
Well, don't show me. Getting cold now too. Funny thing. Idiot.
It's gonna be another good one. Just saying.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Look.
Camera's still running too. What a toad! That is a toad!
Oh my goodness, honey. Look at this guy.
Some hog hunting right there.
15 and a half.
Nope, just 15.
Was he?
Yeah.
I don't care. He's big.
Put him on the scale. Oh, never mind.
Why do you do that? You goofball?
He's not a big. Oh, hit a big one.
Hey, you caught one on that jig. That's a good thing.
Hit a big one. Oh my.
He's gonna be another good one.
Golly. KT?
I need help.
Well,
Kind of like that.
oh boy. Mine ain't very big. Mine ain't big. Hey!
I think.
Really?
Oh my goodness.
Hey gang, we're gonna be calling it a day here pretty quick. Miss T just thumped them today. Thumped them. Thanks for coming along on our 225th. What? I know you just didn't.
Sorry.
She did it. Well, there you. I hope it's a little one. Anyway, thanks for coming along on our 25th anniversary fishing trip. That ain't right.
I schooled him today.
I know she just didn't go there either. Anyway, hey, subscribe to Uncle Bill's Crappie Attitude, because I'm getting an attitude watching her do this. But we've enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you know that you're going to get our videos when they come out. Make sure you leave us some comments. We had a lot of fun today.
Yes, we did.
Caught some really nice fish on the lake. We're fishing in deeper water. Man, we appreciate you. Hit that subscribe button. Fish out. Man, we enjoyed you. Make sure you hit that like button. We need all the likes we can get. Let YouTube know you enjoy our content.